Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke with the Conscious Success Plan and Charisma. And today we're talking art therapy, and this is part of our series with attention restoration therapy. And we have 52 tips that you can use throughout the year. Maybe try to incorporate one per week into your daily habits. And we've already done a few different ones, so we're going to pick up on tip number 10. And really, a lot of these will interrelate, but if you focus on one activity at a time, it can sort of help reinforce the other ones as well. So, one of them is, of course, we've talked about mindfulness, we've talked about breathing, but movement with yoga is great. And yoga doesn't need to be going to a class either. You can do some simple stretches at your desk. I always like to kind of do my arms and look side to side. You can even just do some simple stretching, but the important thing is to breathe. So, you can kind of sink deeper into that. So if you're interested in yoga, you can also, if you have kids, you can do yoga with your kids. You can even do yoga with your cats. So there's lots of YouTube videos and different ways that you can incorporate yoga, but just remember you don't have to go to a class. You can do a few yoga movements and connect that to your breath and really come back to center through really checking in with your body through yoga. So I think that's a great one. Another way to check in with maybe your body in a way that you haven't thought about is through laughter. And it's sometimes difficult when you're in the heat of the moment to have laughter, but if you can think of a friend who makes you laugh, you can watch some video that's funny, you can read something funny, or even uh, engage with a child and tell some funny jokes. And that if it can bring a smile to your face, it's going to help release your brain of being diverted by stress and worry and allow you to become more focused as well. And then the ability to shrug things off and compartmentalize things that are worrying to you. So if you are experiencing something stressful, you can spend 10 or 15 minutes thinking about it and then thinking of solutions with it. But then you want to try to shrug it off and at least put it aside so that you can focus on something else as well. And then just the ability to relax. And I know this is one that I struggle with, but sometimes spending 10 or 15 minutes to go for a walk or to lay on your bed or watch a show and just chill out can help you come back even stronger as well because your brain needs that time off to rest. Being grateful is another important aspect to being able to focus because when we're more grateful, we're not focused on problems all the time. We can focus on understanding that we have abundance and that we can choose new solutions to different problems. And then smiling. Smiling can also up your energy and it can help release tension. And you can sometimes smile your way through something that is difficult as well. So, those are just a few tips that you can use on the attention restoration therapy so that you can be a lot more present in your life and then also be more productive.